Every year, wildfires destroy millions of acres of forest. Hurricanes grow stronger, floods displace entire communities, and rising global temperatures threaten the future of our planet. Now imagine an intelligence capable of scanning satellite images, predicting storms weeks in advance, monitoring carbon emissions in real time, and even designing new forms of clean energy, all faster than any human team ever could. That intelligence already exists. It's artificial intelligence. But here's the question. Can AI, the same technology that powers your phone and your social media feed, actually help us fight climate change? Or is it just another tool that could make the crisis worse? The answer could shape the survival of our species. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into AI and climate change. Can tech save the planet? One of AI's greatest strengths is processing massive amounts of data. When it comes to climate change, that ability is critical. AI models analyze satellite imagery, weather patterns, and ocean data to predict extreme weather events earlier and more accurately. By spotting signs of hurricanes, droughts, or floods ahead of time, AI helps communities prepare and save lives. It also tracks global emissions. Companies and governments can now use AI-powered sensors to monitor pollution in real time, exposing the true scale of the problem and holding polluters accountable. Renewable energy is vital in the fight against climate change, but managing it is complex. Wind and solar power fluctuate with the weather. AI steps in by forecasting energy demand and optimizing power grids. Google, for example, uses AI to predict wind patterns and maximize energy from its turbines. Smart grids powered by AI balance supply and demand more efficiently, reducing waste and keeping energy flowing where it's needed most. This means cleaner power, fewer blackouts, and less reliance on fossil fuels. Climate change threatens crops and food supply, but AI is helping farmers adapt. Machine learning tools analyze soil conditions, predict pest outbreaks, and suggest the best planting times. Drones and sensors feed data to AI systems that optimize irrigation, reducing water use while maximizing yields. By making farming more efficient and sustainable, AI could help feed billions without draining the planet's resources. Scientists rely on complex climate models to predict the future of the planet. These models involve billions of variables, something humans can't calculate alone. AI accelerates climate research by processing massive datasets, finding hidden patterns, and simulating scenarios in record time. From mapping melting ice sheets to studying deforestation, AI gives us clearer insight into how the Earth is changing and what solutions might work. But here's the challenge. If AI itself consumes enormous energy to run, could the very technology we're counting on to save the planet also be making the problem worse? Stick around, because this paradox could decide whether AI is part of the solution or part of the problem. Training large AI models requires vast amounts of computing power, which in turn consumes energy. Some studies show that creating a single advanced AI model can emit as much carbon as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. This raises a serious concern. While AI may help reduce emissions in some areas, its own environmental cost can't be ignored. Tech companies are now racing to make AI more energy efficient and to power their data centers with renewables. The key question: will AI's benefits outweigh its costs? AI isn't just fighting climate change, it's protecting ecosystems. Conservationists use AI to monitor endangered species through camera traps, detect illegal logging with drones, and even listen for gunshots in forests to prevent poaching. By automating these processes, AI gives conservationists more reach and faster response times, helping preserve biodiversity in a rapidly changing climate. Perhaps the most overlooked role of AI is influencing human choices. Recommendation algorithms can nudge people toward greener habits, like suggesting sustainable products, reducing food waste, or optimizing travel routes. The question is whether we'll use this power responsibly to encourage climate action or exploit it to drive more consumption. AI alone won't stop climate change, but it could become one of our most powerful tools, helping us predict disasters, optimize energy, and discover solutions faster than ever before. The outcome depends on balance. If we invest in sustainable AI and use it wisely, it may help save the planet. If we let it grow unchecked, it could add fuel to the very fire it's meant to fight. So, can AI save the planet? The answer is both hopeful and uncertain. It's not a silver bullet, but it's a powerful ally if we choose to use it wisely. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our deep dives into the future of AI. And in our next video, we'll shift to a very different arena: how AI is transforming sports. From coaching strategies to player performance and even fan experiences, you'll see how AI is changing the game on and off the field.